Welcome to ECNTRADE Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. To begin with, you can see by the Australian dollar from a daily time frame that there is some divergence as the market is attempting to push up, and after 3 consecutive days we're finally seeing another rejection from that level of 75.40.45. From the current pattern, I feel that this market should continue in its descent and therefore eventually see a close under 74.80 and look down towards the level of 74.40 and reassess from there. Nevertheless, from the pattern and also with the dollar index slightly strengthening, could see the further slide in the Australian currency. Looking at the euro, the market is since rejection and posting an outside range day near that 116.60-65 level. We're still waiting confirmation to the bearishness. A close underneath the level of 115.80 should give further confirmation down towards the lower range of 115 and reassess from there. Later we do have the US GDP out, so all eyes will be looking to there, and also looking at the ECB rate decision as well, which is widely expected no change. The dollar yen still breaking down to a degree that should continue. The reason behind that is from the tri-star dojis, the 3 dojis posted here, which are negative, and also from the confirmation of the close under 113.80 should see further weakness with the RSI and the MACD married up. Also looks for the target of 112.70.75 and reassess. The pound was somewhat weak and also reaches its objective of 137.15 overnight. With a mild bounce, keep an eye on these technicals. I still feel there'll be maybe one more challenge, but if we get a rejection from 137.15, then I expect to see a small retracement back to the top side of the range, which is somewhere around 138 figure 40. CAD yen took a stab at the downside after the bearish outside range day awaits confirmation, and that is at 91.40. We need a close under there to confirm the bearishness down towards the region of 89.40. With the technicals breaking down, I do anticipate another test towards this level, and a close under 91.40 should seal the move towards its objective. After a choppy price action for the last 2 days, gold is attempting to reclaim that 1,800 handle. Not quite got the broken down to the technicals, that is, to support a bear case. No doubt there may be one more test to that upside, but I do still anticipate a rejection around the 1,812.16 area and eventually see a test. And if we get a close under 1,788, I do expect to see further weakness. Finishing up with oil, well, the Gravestone Doji was confirmed from the break of 82.70, and now with 78.70 on the cards, let's see if the market can actually take that level out. The technicals are very heavy, and if we do see 78.70 taken out, then the next level is at 74.80. I feel the market is a little bit long, and with the pressure turning around, could see some stops going off and trigger the downside move. Well, that wraps it for today. Thank you very much for joining me, and as always, look out for the intraday report. I hope you enjoy the rest of the day.